Hey, it's VJ from Canada. Just a quick review on kijjiji.com. I've been able to sell a few items on this garage sale type of a site. But I tell you, there's a lot of people in there who are going to waste your time. And they've got a one-click feature where it says, "Hi, I'm interested. Let me know if the item is available." And you reply to them, and it ends right there. Like I said, I've been able to sell a couple items, but you got to be careful on who you're dealing with because you don't know who you're dealing with. And I've got a couple scary stories, but I'll leave that for another time. Make sure you meet in a safe location and always have the phone number of these people prior to going out and trading your goods for their money. I'm going to give Kijjiji a 2.5 out of 5.